Hey, it's Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 4th of July t-shirt using the DTF MAGIC system. Now with the system, this machine's already built for you. It's all set up. You get a laptop with the Cadlink software. It's powered with the Epson 3200 print heads. Now how it works is it's a film, prints on a film, goes through the adhesive shaker, shakes all the residue off, and goes through the dryer, and you have your transfers. It's just basically simple, one step. And what makes us unique is we manufacture the inks and the films. So when you get this machine, it's on-site training. We have a technician who flies directly to your house, your facility, your business, and he trains you from start to finish at our cost. We don't charge you for that. Now, let me go show you how to press a t-shirt using the DTF film. Now let's press the MAGIC DTF film. Now what sets us apart is this. The inks are film are all grade A inks and grade A films manufactured by us. Now, when you're pressing up transfers, it's going to be pressed at 300 degrees for a whopping 5 to 10 seconds, depending on your press. Now, this can either be a hot peel or a cold peel. So let me show you. Now, after your 10 seconds are done, you're going to take it off. Now, this can either be hot or cold. As you can see, this is hot off a heat press. I just grabbed it and take it right off. No need for post-press, anything like that. Vibrant colors. And now, how do you know that this is going to last the life of the shirt? And how do you know it's a grade A film? Hot off a heat press. She still looks beautiful. Any questions, click on the link below for the DTF package or just give us a call. Happy 4th of July.